boy, have you seen that all the insurance company CEOs are getting grilled? The big CEOs of these big insurance companies are getting grilled by Senator Josh Hawley about their business practices. Chris, this is nothing new for us, my friend, is it?
No, no, it's crazy watching this, and as these poor victims are telling their stories, and
Yeah,
it's like we see this every single day.
every
You
day.
know, we see
And
low estimates come out, we see things delayed, and just everything that you can think of. That's
right.
what we see.
The biggest thing for me is when we are on a property with the adjuster, if they're an independent adjuster or if they're a staff adjuster, whoever it might be, and or an engineer, right? And they're
Mhm.
like, yeah, we see damage, I'll have to get my report, submit it to the desk adjuster and see what they say. Okay, cool. Then we get something back that says there's no damage. We're not paying anything. There's no damage.
Mhm.
What? How did that change from, yeah, we see damage, it'll probably get paid for, we don't know what it's going to look like, we'll get it submitted to the desk adjuster. Then magically, miraculously, weirdly, nothing gets paid for.
Mhm.
Ah, go just Google that Josh Hawley versus insurance companies, Josh Hawley versus Allstate, whatever you need to do to look that up, look it up, watch the video because it will share with you the exact reason why public insurance adjusters exist.
Mhm.
I
Yeah,
say it multiple times. If insurance companies did their job, we wouldn't have a job.
we would not
Guess
have a
what?
job.
They don't do their job. So we get hired to fight for you, the insured or the contractor, and go to task for
Mhm.
you against the insurance company because of what they are doing to not pay claims. They have been accused of all sorts of stuff and they've been found guilty of all sorts of stuff. Not just in
Mhm.
this instance, but with like Hurricane Sandy, Hurricane Katrina, all sorts of stuff. And these rightfully so, the senator is calling out these huge companies for being like multi-billion dollar conglomerates. One of the companies I think made $4.6 billion last year profit. Okay. And
Yeah,
they
that
tell
was
you, oh, we're losing money, we're losing money, we're losing money, we're gonna go
Mhm.
under. How do you go under with $4.6 billion profit? I don't
That's
know.
profit. That's
Yeah,
insane.
that's not revenue, that's profit. Okay.
Mhm.
And so they're putting their profit over people, and that's where that just doesn't work for me anymore. And it's
No.
looking like it's not working for a lot of other people. And this industry has to change, or it's going to collapse within on itself. And the
Mhm.
fact that one of these CEOs is getting paid like $26 million a year, I am
Mhm.
not opposed to you being paid really well. I think
Mhm.
everybody should be paid really well. The problem is when you take your income out of a
Mhm.
pool of money that could be paying claims and you're not paying
Mhm.
claims fairly. You're not paying claims fully. And then you sit on the media and the TV and you lie about you're losing money. You're not losing money. You're just making less profit. There's a huge
Mhm.
difference. There's a big, 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 big difference.
Mhm. Yeah, and at the end of the day, Taylor and I would love that, this the way things have been going in the insurance world. If that thing got corrected, we're okay being out of the job.
Yeah.
We're totally fine with it. But I think this national attention to it and a lot of the things are being brought to fruition that we're all starting to see and everyone's starting to see, hopefully there could be some changes coming out of it. That's what we definitely want to happen. But of course, now you see kind of what these people are going through. We
Yeah.
deal with this every day. That's why you got to get us involved.
Yeah. And
Basically.
that's the funny thing is people don't really believe or understand why we bring so much value to the insurance claim. Watch that video and you'll see exactly why people hire us. So if you're fighting the insurance company and you need help, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. We're here to fight for you, the insured, the contractor, the property manager, whoever is party to the agreement with the insurance company, which is the policy. So contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.